Hey everyone, welcome to another one of our adventures. So today we're heading to
Lambertville?
No, it's Golden Nugget. We're heading to Golden Nugget. I gotta sell a little bit of gold. My grandma gave me a locket. I told her to hang on to it because it was 10 karat gold. She's like, well, I really don't care, it's not worth that much. I was like, it's probably worth quite a bit. So we're going to price that separately and see what that's worth. That's mainly the main thing. And just wanted to get out the house for a little bit. Alright, so we'll see you guys there and we'll take you a walk around Golden Nugget. Alright, bye. Alright, so this is what we got to deal with, going to sell some gold. Hopefully the guy's there and hopefully he's inside and not outside, because if we got to do this outside it would suck. Alright, well, we're about 3 miles away, so we'll get you guys back once we're finally there and we see where he is. Alright, bye. This is the old section.
Oh, I hate when they are hard to
This way here.
But some things need to have that.
Like the pool.
Ethnic stuff. Not like a silver reaction.
on the body. And then they, if they're big enough,
You see how soft.
So basically, okay.
No, well, we're gonna check. They may have a spring in them, so we're gonna see. 'Cause sometimes, if it's marked 14K, then the springs are always magnetic. It looks just like a plate. They disappear. That was to a watch.
It just looked good, so.
Yeah. Well, it's always good to double check. Disappear. This should be good. This will
So
be
does that mean
fun.
it's plated?
Yeah, just plated.
Okay.
This one's, that's a plated too.
I'll still hang on to them that
Yeah,
way
yeah.
when I get enough of it.
Any good storage units you got? Or?
I haven't bought any for like the last 6 months because I have so much stuff at my
Oh
house.
yeah. And to get rid of it's a pain in the butt. You know, I go down to Dutch auction sometimes. They give this stuff away.
Yeah. Yeah, I cannot get them out.
Yeah, it's just a little big paper. Yeah, magnetic.
So is that plated or just?
Not plated. The post could be a little tiny piece of gold, but
Okay.
just the body is a plate.
I think they were 14.
Yeah.
Now, if you can, just tell me how much the locket's worth by itself. My grandma actually gave me that, and I kept telling her, hold on to it. She was like, I don't care what it's worth. It's worth like $5. I was like, it's probably
No,
worth more than $5.
Because you get 3 points. About $90.
Yeah. Okay.
Because it's marked 10 karat inside.
That way I know what to give her.
This is like $20, so 110.
Okay.
Okay.
And what's all this, silver or?
Yeah, that's silver the guy got. He got these at for $18. They're 17 ounces of silver at a Antique Center. The lady didn't see the mark on them.
Now, what mark do you look?
Well, sterling, they're marked in here, right there, but you can hardly see it.
Ah, yeah.
He's always lucky, that guy. Alright, here's 100. And here's 10.
Awesome.
Okay, thanks
you,
for
Brian.
stopping up.
Yeah, that's the plated stuff.
Okay, Dan. Not bad.
You need this bag?
No, you can have it.
All right.
Hey, now are you on YouTube now too?
Yeah. All right, so we got $110. Like I said, the locket my grandma gave to me, I kept telling her it was worth a little bit of money, and she was like, I don't really care. It's probably like a $5 item. But so we got that weighed up and everything, and that turned out to be 90 bucks. So I'll tell her about that. Yeah, let's find some place to walk through. Nowhere. I don't feel like squeezing my big butt through there. But I'm happy with that, and I don't know, I just kind of wanted to get out the house. So not too much going on here since it's raining. Alright, we'll see everybody later. Bye. Alright, sorry to everyone that I didn't walk around, show other people's stuff. Antiques really don't interest me. Like, I'm trying to learn about it, but I can't look at it. Like, it's, I don't want to really say it's boring, but it's kind of boring to look at. It's a bunch of old stuff with dust on it, and I know I'll probably get some backlash for saying that, but it's junk. A lot of it's broken and stuff like that. Okay, it's old, it's from the 1800s. But it's cracked, it's broke, it belongs in the trash unless you can fix it. Maybe people think different of it, but that's the way I think about it. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching another one of my adventures. We got 110 bucks, so now we're going to have a big breakfast. But not a $110 breakfast. Alright, see everybody later. Bye.